So today we are looking at this problem. It says that if u squared over v plus v squared over u equals to 12 and 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over 3, find the values of u and v and hence solve the equations. So we're going to solve this problem now. Just give me a bit of time. I want to put up this form so you can. So let's start. Now find the LCM. We have u cubed plus v cubed over uv equals to 12. So that gives us u cubed plus v cubed is equals to 12 uv. So let's term this I1. Let's term that I1. Then the second one is 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over 3. So solving this will give us v plus u over uv equals to 1 over 3. So solving this will give us u plus v and cross multiplying also 3 to bracket uv. So let's do it that way. Let's count this. So divide by 2. So what we have here, so I'll just copy this. Okay. 3 into u plus v equals to 12 uv over uv. So that's dividing 1 by 2. So that gives us what we have there is u cubed plus v cubed u plus v, everything equals to 36. I've taken this 3 to this side. This u and uv we cancel this, both of them will cancel. So these 3 come to this side, becomes 36. Now I need to allow make us understand this concept, this identity called u cubed v cubed. This identity is same thing as u plus v u squared plus v squared minus u v, or we can say that our u cubed plus v cubed is same thing as u plus v bracket then u plus v all squared minus 3 uv. These identities are important, and I expect you to put them in your brain. Anytime you come across problems like this, you know where to apply them. Something you can just memorize. I don't have time to start deriving how we got this, but you can derive it actually. So now we have these identities. Let's call this. So we can work with this now. I'm going to copy this. So instead of writing instead of writing this, I want you to have a better view of what I'm doing. That's why I'm taking my time. UV bracket, then U plus V all squared minus 3 UV. So we have that. So now this man UV, this man will cancel out this one. So what you have at the end of the day is this. So equals to 36. So now we have gotten very close to our answer. But remember from our original equation, U plus V, 3UV, 3UV is equals to UV. Remember from this, from 2, 3 into U plus V, from 2. You need to remember this. So we can say that our U plus V is equals to UV over 3. Let's term this. Okay, so let's term this I3 and let's term this I3 and I'll term this. So I'll term that. So substitute U over V, UV over 3 for U plus V in 3. So in my equation 3, what I have is this. So I want to substitute that. So anywhere I see, I will now just write UV over 3 all squared minus 3 UV equals to 36. So what we have now is UV all squared over 9 minus 3 UV is equals to 36. I'm going to solve this. So UV all squared minus 27 UV equals to, by the time you multiply that, that will give us 324. I've used 9 to multiply everything through. So multiply those sides by 9. So we have that. So that's what we have. So we can solve this equation. So this will be UV all squared minus 7 UV minus 324 equals to 0. So solving this, UV minus, by the time you find the factors, it will give you minus 36 UV plus 9, these are the factors uv, minus 3, 2, 4 equals to 0. So we have this is squared. So we now have something like uv minus 36 plus 9 into uv minus 36 equals to 0. So there's a uv here. So we have uv plus 9 bracket closed, and then uv minus 36 equals to 0. So our uv is equals to 36, or uv is equals to minus 9. So we've been able to get the value of our uv. That's one of the questions we are asked to solve. So we've gotten the value of our uv. That's one of the questions we are asked. So find the values of uv and hence solve the equation. So now let's solve the equation. Let's solve this equation. So now let's solve this equation. We know that our uv is equals to 36. Let's term this I1. We also know that u plus v 3 into u is equals to uv. So we know these two values. uv is equal to 36, then 3 into u plus this is from 2. So for the sake, so that you will see what I'm doing. If we go up from 2, our 3 into u, this place. If you look at this, 3 into u plus v equals to uv. So we have these two identities that we have been able to find. So let's call this thing we are on 3 and 4. So let me call this equation 5. So uv is equal to 36, and then 3 into bracket u plus v is equals to uv. So I already know the value of my uv. I have two values for that. So I'm starting with when uv is 36. When uv is equals to 36. So I'm starting with that. So let's start. Now I can put this value. I can make these values. I can put any of these values. I can say that, okay, from this I can say that my u is equals to 36 over v. So I can put that. So from 2, now I now want to start. So I can say 3 So I will now put 36 over v plus is equals to 36. So let's start. So this gives us 36 over v plus v is equals to that 3 we cancel that will be left with 12 on that side. So let's solve this and let's see what we get. So we have v squared minus 12v plus 36 equals to 0. So v squared, find the factor that will give you v, and the factors of that will be 9, that will be 6. So we have minus 6. So we have minus 6v plus 36 equals to 0. So we have v, this is squared. So what you have is v into minus 6 into v minus 6 equals to 0. So I will have v minus 6 then v minus 6 equals to 0. That's a perfect square, actually. I didn't know. So our v is equal to 6. So we can get that. So once we have gotten the value of our v, we can easily get the value of our u. Our u, remember, our u is equals to 36 over v. So which is same thing as 36 minus 6, which is same thing as 6. So our u, comma v is equals to 6,6. So we have that. So we have done the first one. We have been able to successfully get the first one. So we need to get the second one. When uv, so let me use, when uv is equals to minus 9. So we have that. So you can see that our u is equals to minus 9 over v. So we have that. So remember from our 2 that u plus v, 3 into u plus v is equals to uv. So remember that from 2. So we have this. So I can substitute anywhere so I have 3. So I have minus 9 over v plus v is equals to uv is equals to minus 9. So I have that. So we have 9 over v plus v equals to minus 3. So let's simplify this. So I'm going to simplify it. So we have v squared. Okay. I'm going to multiply everything through by v. So we now have minus 9 plus v squared equals to minus 3v. So let's solve this. This will be v squared plus 3v minus 9 equals to 0. So this one, you cannot easily get the value for your v. So the best thing is to use your quadratic formula. So I'm going to use that quadratic formula, which is v. So we have minus 3 plus or minus so 9 plus, so we now have 36. That will be 4 times 9. That will be 36 all over 2. So this gives us minus 3 plus or minus that will be 45 all over 2. So we have, so this gives us minus 3 root 5, because 45 is 9 times 5 and the square root of 9 is 3. So now we'll be left with 5 still in the root all over 3. So all over 2, sorry. So that's the value for your v. So you can, so we've gotten the value for your v, you can easily get the value for your u. Remember from the linear equation, our u, if you look at this, is minus 9. So this will be minus 9 all over whatever is here. So I'm going to write this here. So you can put this here. So that 2 goes up. So what you have is minus 18. All over that. So you can try and solve this. So this is how far you can go with this problem. You've gotten the value for your u and g. So I hope you find it interesting. You can still simplify this because 3 is common to both sides. So what it will give us is minus 6, then minus 1, plus or minus 5. So I think we can do that also with, okay. So this is how far you can go with this problem. So I hope you find it interesting. Go over the problem once again and I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe and to share this video. So see you again in another video.